Hey, what's up everybody? I just wanted to give you a quick video on something I like to do with plants. Obviously not carpentry related, but I like to do gardening too occasionally. And one thing I don't like to do is buy plants because they are crazy expensive. And it's probably one of the biggest scams in the world. But these are $20 for this one batch of flowers right here, and for this little pot. And one thing I like to do to save money is I'll actually split these in half. I do it with my bushes too. I'm not very good with plant names, but all of these, well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 that you can't see, but these right here was a big bush that turns into yellow flowers that I have in the front, and I just shoveled down to the roots, made sure I got a good root ball, and planted them and watered daylights out of them, and they're already looking better from yesterday. So that's kind of what I'm going to do here. So I already dug my holes, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be careful not to cut the actual stems, but I'm just going to go right until it, look at that, it just comes apart on its own. Got a nice root ball there. And then I'll plant this, help the plant stay up, pack the dirt in good, and I'll do this all the way around. And then, yeah, it's a little bit smaller than it was, but it'll grow and it'll look a lot better eventually. But it still looks good like that. It's June right now, and I'll put this one in. And then I'm going to water these and use some plant food, specifically for flowers. And I like to pack them up so that they don't hang like that. So I'll actually build what do you call it? There's a name for it, but I'll build them up like that. But anyways, not really on the video's not really on how to plant flowers. It's just how to save money on flowers because they're so expensive. So hopefully you got a good idea, or that you thought that was a good idea and it works out for you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.